Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is FABRICA. Welcome to Globo Arte magazine page channel where we make content for artists and creative entrepreneur. In today's video guys, we're going to be talking about one secret new feature that recently Creative FABRICA have launched, and I think I have talked about that in some of my videos. I'm going to leave the link of that video in the description above. You can check it out. But today I'm going to show you exactly in my laptop how you can use that new feature of the Creative FABRICA to make more money on it. So let's dive into the laptop, and before going good part, consider clicking the like button guys. I really appreciate that. And if you want the more free resources, the free KDP interiors, the free textures, the free patterns, then I have the bunch of the free resources, link in description box below, or simply head over to globalcreative.com and check over the freebies section and download all the freebies they have. And each month we will going to update with the more new freebies, so check it out each month. Now let's hop onto my laptop and I'm going to show you what exactly I want to show you today guys. FABRICA, and I'm going to show you that exact feature which I'm talking about, and I've already talked about in one of my videos, but I didn't show you how to do that. So today I'm here to show you. So now this one specific feature is the fans. So I'm just going to click over to the fans section and we're going to see what exactly this Creative FABRICA fans section is and how you can make more money. So support independent crafters and creators. Creative FABRICA fan brings creators and their biggest fans together, allowing creators to earn a recurring income from their passion. So it's kind of like a monthly subscription. You can say it as a Patreon. People can go and check it out and can get the Patreon stuff and all. So you can kickstart your fan base, whether you are a craft blogger or a graphic designer looking to earn and connect with your fans. So if you're creating some kind of product and already selling onto the Creative FABRICA, then you can very well create your own fan base around the specific fans feature that Creative FABRICA has launched. Like I think it's like almost a few months back. I don't remember exactly. We offer all the tools you need to get started. Creative FABRICA Fans is an all-in-one platform that allows you to create your own subscription plan without any setup or hassle. Create your own personal fan base and get discovered by a community of millions of crafters. So it's an awesome way guys. You can check out the various different kinds of the categories. Like the most popular categories is the graphic and illustration, print on demand, machine embroidery, digital planners, education, card making, paper craft, typography, die cutting, painting, drawing, all these. So people can make their own kind of like a Patreon, and people will going to join to their Patreon and can subscribe to them and pay them monthly for some kind of perks, and you can set them perks. So let me see this one. I will going to probably give you an example how you can also do that if you want to join this platform. So this one is a popular creator, the Carly Belle, and she is mainly focusing on the machine embroidery. So let me check the profile, what they are offering in their Patreons. So you can see this is a banner. Let me just scroll down. Wait a minute guys. Okay, so fan member perks. So she is having this option as a $9 per month become a fan. She is already having Creative FABRICA fans as 59, and she's talking about how you can write the bio about yourself, what you're going to provide to the people in the fans, and what she's providing in the $9 perk. Let me just see what she's providing. So she's providing support your favorite independent creator, unlock all posts instantly. So she's posting it on a monthly basis. So the people who have already become the fan of her, they can pay her the $9 and can get the post and all stuff. So you can also create your own fan base around any specific topic. If you are selling something on the Creative FABRICA, let's for example, if you're selling the print on demand. So let me just go back and we're gonna see the print on demand because that's the most common. So if I'm gonna just go over to the print on demand, this is the second popular category. So the two people are selling the stuff related to it. So these are the strawberry POD, the print on demand, Creative FABRICA fans. Another one is a mixed design. So they are having the 4 Creative FABRICA fans. So let me check the profile, what they are providing the value in this stuff. So training unique t-shirt designs for your shop, $4.99 per month, become a fan. Okay. The next 10 subscribers will have a $4.99 price forever, 6 slots left. So then the price will going to increase. So this is a personal note, and she will going to provide illustrations and the cool color graphics and all. So it's an awesome way you can make more money from the Creative Fabrica. You are already selling onto the Creative Fabrica and you are looking for some extra ways to make money. So this is the extra way. You can also create your own fan base around any specific topic. Like this shop has created, this designer has created this specific around the print on demand. They are providing the print on demand t-shirt designs for your shop. So you can also create one and can set the specific price value for per month, like whether they are going to pay the $9, the $5, depending on whatever you're providing them in your monthly subscription. But this is an awesome way, guys. Like you can either join them or you can either go and check it out for yourself. Now I'm going to check about the pricing. Like obviously you are using the Creative Fabrica platform, so how much cut they're gonna take. So turn fans into monthly subscribers. Creating fan base is completely free. You pay a commission over your earnings once only you start paying. So that my Creative Fabrica fans creator plan, everything you need to start your subscription plan and grow your fan base. All features are automatically unlocked for all creators. So they're gonna take 18% of the monthly income you earn via so they're going to take 18% and which will fees and optionally if the VAT is applicable. So that's 18%. They're going to take 18% commission along with that payment processing fee. So I think it's a pretty amazing option to make more money from the Creative Fabrica. You can create your own fan base and you can provide value to the people on a monthly basis. Depending on the perks, you can set the price according to it, and you can change the various different categories. The people are already having the creative fans. Like this one designer is having the most of the fans, like 59 and the 46 and 20 and so on and so forth. Detail, guys, if you see this one is a gentleman crafter, if I'm check what exactly they are providing in their monthly subscription, you can get an idea. You can create this banner and add the logo, like it's the $5 per month, become a fan. Fans will receive a range of exclusive content not available anywhere else every month. Goodies will include SVG cut files, bonus printables, fun tutorials. You'll also have the chance to request custom cut files too. So they are providing the craft files and the printables and fun tutorials. So they are already having the 46 fans, so you can very well check it out, like 46 into $5. Obviously 18% like 18% is Creative Fabrica is taking the 18%, so you can minus that and you can check it out, like how each month you can make more money by making this fan base on the Creative Fabrica if you are already selling onto the Creative Fabrica. So there are the different topics, the paper craft and the die cutting, graphic and the illustration. It's an amazing way, guys. You can very well check it out more about it, but I think I'll cover most of the things over here. I'll talk about the pricing, the starter fan base, and you can creators and community guidelines. You can very well read it out and check it out in one of my videos previously, and today I've shown you how you can use it. So you can create your own fan base. Now I didn't create it so far, but I'm looking forward to create a fan base of my own Creative Fabrica shop and giving them posts depending on what I can give them on a monthly basis. But this is an awesome way. I hope you really enjoy it below and let me know what you think. So I hope you really find today's video useful. Leave a comment below, let me know what you think, and if you have any more queries related to Creative Fabrica, I would really love to hear from you. Thank you so much for tuning in today's video. See you for the next time. Take care. Bye guys.